Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use wall oxygen, updated. Begin by confirming the oxygen source is labeled and the flow meter is set to 0 before connecting tubing. Attach the cannula or mask securely and set the prescribed flow rate. Check tubing for kinks and ensure humidifier bottle is filled if required. Monitor patient oxygen saturation and comfort, and always turn flow to 0 before disconnecting to prevent pressure hazards. Check the patient order for the prescribed flow rate and oxygen delivery method before adjusting any controls. Confirm the flow meter reading matches the order or consult a clinician for changes. If using a humidifier, set it up on the wall outlet and adjust temperature per instructions. Reassess oxygen saturation after each change and watch for signs of irritation or drying. Provide comfort measures or call for an order adjustment if needed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings crisp sound and hands-free voice control to any room, great for timers and reminders while managing oxygen care. I use it to set medication and oxygen schedule alerts and play calming music. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Always verify cylinder or outlet labels and ensure the equipment is intact before use. Keep fire risks away by prohibiting open flames, smoking, and oil-based products near oxygen equipment. Secure tubing to prevent tripping and inspect connectors for leaks by listening and feeling around joints. Teach patients and caregivers emergency, shut-off procedures and store spare tubing and masks in a clean, accessible place for quick replacement if problems occur ASAP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.